IMTS 2024 in the Supertec booth with Marco. Behind us is a new size of a grinder that they are showcasing here at IMTS. Marco, I'm going to turn it over to you. Why don't you tell us about the machine and some of the capabilities that this grinder has?
Thank you. Okay, so this is our EGM-80CNC, our current bread and butter in the U.S. market. Basically, it's a twin spindle OD-ID grinder with a workhead, a hydraulic workhead. That's part of the machine, full enclosed software. Now, I am going to talk about the software because this is like our big selling point. Every time we talk to a customer about our software, everybody's always nervous. Why is it that the new generation doesn't want to work in the machine industry? The old generation is leaving everything behind.
Sure.
So that is when our company, Supertec, in the factory, they took 3 years to develop the software in congruence with a software engineer company to make sure that they had 90% covered of any type of work that they do for ID, OD, face grinding, shoulder grinding, profile dressing, profile grinding, taper grinding, etc., 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 etc. So I'm going to walk a little bit through the controller.
Please do.
What I always tell the customers, and when they come over, they say, oh, but I don't like Mitsubishi. I say, we use the Mitsubishi only exclusively because it has a nice touchscreen function and it receives the software in a pretty good way. It's easy to use, navigate. It has grinding wheels, touch-off points. A lot of these icons are very, very normal to realize, like touch points, setup points, grinding wheel points. All of that stuff is just easy to navigate as a touchscreen. So you select the grind cycle you want to add, the wheel, and then the grind cycle you want to do, OD grinding, and then you just go through it all, step by step, and it breaks down as what you're doing. Basically, what I always tell the customers is like, you don't have to worry about the training. You don't have to worry about programming because this software is so powerful and strong that we're very proud of it because it's like having a new person that's just coming out of college or high school or wherever they want to come. Or in some cases, I say, hey, drop the broom. You're now a CNC tech,
yeah.
Ready to go. And I do the training. It takes about a day and a half to train, so them to understand the software, because that's basically how it goes. Very, very simple. Just a few numbers that they need to learn, and sometimes it's just so quick. 1 day and a half, we do setup and training, again, included in all our CNCs. So yeah, customers really get excited about the software and the training. So this is our bread and butter, and this is a smaller version from a bigger version, which was a 350. This is our 80. It's more compact for small floor space. So yeah, we just try to have something that every customer always asks for. Customers ask for small stuff. This year we presented this.
That's awesome. The conversational piece is really important nowadays because, like you said, not many people are able to have that skilled trade, and some of those people that have the skilled trade in true G-code and programming like that, they're moving out of the industry. So you guys taking the time to put the conversational aspect, I'm sure, is definitely going to pay off in the long run. And so with this machine, I know you said this is the smallest size that you guys are coming out with. What is the largest capacity that you can handle on the grinder?
So on this machine?
Yes.
So we could go up to 8-inch diameter workpiece and small holes, couple inches deep. But the biggest machines we have up to 10 inches, 12 inches, 20 inches, 30 inches lengths that are up to like 40 inches length, So this is the smaller version, small shop, job shop kind of a situation, small footprint.
Yeah, and with the size and it being more of a job shop machine, are there certain markets that you guys are really interested in or that you see a lot of business from in terms of industries?
So we do see it a lot. For example, we sold 2 machines in almost the same week to a company that makes cutters to cut the coffee cups, the filters cupcakes and all that stuff.
Oh, cool.
He bought the first machine. They had like 7 different processes for the grinding with the software, with the capabilities. After we did everything for him, that's 7 processes that he was thinking, I'm going to get rid of 3 processes with this machine. But he ended up getting rid of all the processes and ended up being in 1 process. So in the following week, he sent the PO for a second machine, and he's already thinking about a 3rd machine because he has really, really high production, D2 material, very, very hard material. So yeah, he's very happy with the machines, yeah. And then we have a lot of machines in Northern California. The companies that have 10 machines, 6 machines, 12 machines,
Sure.
Kind of similar to this. So yeah, they're very happy with that.
That's awesome. So lots of different markets and different industries.
Yes.
Marco, thanks so much for being with us. Where is the website that any of our viewers can reach you at if they want to learn more about your technology?
Supertecusa.com. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks so much for being with us. And be sure to visit the Supertec booth here at IMTS 2024. Thanks. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.